Team, the Bulls, had 9 points and 3 blocks, and there's his first 2.
Yeah, he's a big, strong, rugged player. Watched him in the pregame warm-ups.
Oh my goodness! Alley-oop to Vince Carter for the reverse crush.
How that Steve Nash tossed that ball, maybe a step in front of the half-court line, and right on the money. Vince Carter did a sensational dunk and finish on that play there and hit the throttle. I told you he's going to be hyped to play tonight.
Yeah, we wondered if he might have a little bounce in his step. Back here in Toronto, he likes playing on the big stage. We saw that in New York against the Knicks. And here is Nash going upper deck to Vince Carter.
Yeah, look at that, right at the mid-stripe line, and Vince running the floor nicely on that right wing, gets behind the defense.